Hello guys, in this tutorial we're gonna talk about boot Telegram and its or project its start. I will give you some information and we directly go to how its API work and work with boots. Now I created just a new project. Sorry, here, and I will write TB Telegram bots and one this Windows and okay. Before I start, I just need to tell you we need for our bot Telegram we need a host or server like VPS or VDS. It's depend to your username, how many user you will have in your Telegram bots and on your channel, and it's depend to your project. But I will introduce you application you can use on your Windows. You don't need to buy host or server for Telegram bots now, but in real project you will need to host or, and I repeat again, it's depend to your project and how many user you will have. But for learning and when I want to teach you, you don't need, I will introduce you a free application you can use. For connecting to our API, Telegram API, we need a HTTPS protocol or in our host or server we will use. And here if I show you, all queries Telegram bots API must be served over HTTPS and it need to present it in this form. We need the SSL for our project when you want to use host, for example, or domain, and or when you want to use run our project in our domain, we need the HTTPS protocol and SSL. And what is in SSL exactly? When we use HTTPS protocol or in our website or application, when we send information to our destination or someone else you want to targeting in application or website or information, it will be secure, and we encrypt our information, it will be secure and nobody can read it. If we use HTTP, maybe between us and someone you want to target, they can to watch what we send and read our information. But with HTTPS it will be secure. Here you can see in picture, when we send information to server we can to do secure with SSL and send back to or between two person when they want to target in application in website. And we want to use webhook and it's obligatory in Telegram, is right, we need to use HTTPS and SSL connection. Okay, if you remember, we talked about fodder in the first video, and I talked how to create a robot and to edit, how to create a token, and if delete and other option we had, we talk about it. And here if we want to see our token we can, but further with a start I want to show you its beginning. And here you can see is right my bots here, and API token you can see is our tokens. We can connect to API of Telegram with this token, and is right is like ID card for our Telegram bots. And here I can show you, if you're going to this address of Telegram, coretelegram.org/bots and /API, you can see here of we can use it. It's a new change in Telegram and other information about our methods and like message or other thing. I will talk about all of this method. And here we start with authorizing our bots, and here it's explain for us how to create token. I talk about it. And when we want to use our token in with API of Telegram, we need to write here. I show you in browser. We know we have our token here, and if I write here, you can see we need https API telegram.org/ we need bot, and we write our token here and our method name. We will talk about our method. And when we create this in during our project, we work several times with our token and bot Telegram bots. We can use it. And here our response, it will return for us when we use this API. It respond for us JSON. In the, I can show you in text file in the future when we start our project, and how to extract information and how to export information from our JSON files in text. I will show you. I think is enough for this video, and I will talk more in next video.